These two calipers look like they do the same job, but one of them can literally ruin your measurements. Today I'm testing my old cheap caliper versus my brand new one, and the results surprised me. This is my old metal digital caliper. I've been using it for more than 10 years. I bought it from China for just a couple of bucks. It was extremely cheap. I've used it thousands of times for many of my projects. But unfortunately, I feel that it's starting to fail. First defect was, when I received it, the body looks it was bent during the shipment. I tried to make it flat, but still I can feel it's not straight. After a couple of years of usage, the battery terminal get oxidized and minus terminal was ripped off. I had power on issues. So I scratched the oxidation and resoldered metal strip as new terminal. Still used that way. And the latest problems that make me to buy a new caliper is it sometimes shows wrong values when I bring it to zero position. Unfortunately, I couldn't shut the problem now. It decided to work flawlessly. And a very long time ago, I lost the depth gauge. Even I tried to stick it back, didn't work. It needs spot welding, which I don't have. So I decided to buy an INSIZE 11.0 digital caliper. Let's unbox the new caliper before I start using it for real projects. I wanted to see if it actually makes a difference. So in this video, we are doing a real comparison, accuracy, build and usability. It comes with a fancy green box. It feels more sturdy and heavy at first look. It has a USB port for extracting measurements directly to the PC, but this requires a special cable which is at extra cost. This has 3 contact points on the battery compartment. That's good thing that I previously have problem on my previous caliper. Before starting precision measurements comparison, I would like to share the ambient temperature where I made my measurements. I was storing my 3, 4, 5 blocks and precision parallel set in my shop where temperature is a little bit lower than the room temperature. There are slightly some measurement differences between INSIZE and Chinese one. The difference is vary, sometimes almost same, sometimes up to 16 microns. Well, unfortunately I don't have more precise tools for comparison. I believe in INSIZE accuracy. I will prove it with my oncoming projects. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to support my projects.